Welcome to Introductions of VLOOKUP function. Under this section, we are going to be look at that what's the VLOOKUP function. Then we are going to be discuss about what are the type of VLOOKUP function. Then finally, we are going to be look at that what are the issues of VLOOKUP function. The first part we are going to be look at that what's the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in table. VLOOKUP support approximate and exact matching. It means that if you want to be retrieve or extract the data from particular table or particular range, you can use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. The formula is a very simple. First we have to be put that equal sign. Then we need to be write down VLOOKUP. So we have to be write VLOOKUP. After that we have to be start the bracket. Within the bracket we need to be pass 4 parameters. First lookup value, comma, second table, the third column index, the fourth one is range lookup, then close the bracket and enter. The first parameter is lookup value. Lookup value mean what basis you are going to be search the data. For an example, if you look at this example, right, we will discuss in the practical section how to do this task. Now I'm going to be explain how the VLOOKUP work, right? So lookup value mean we are going to be search based on student roll number. You can see here the first column is roll number, second column is student name, the third column is gender, the fourth column is grade, and fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 is the student marks for each subject, then total, after that average. So this is the students exam result 2020, and we are going to be retrieve the data based on the student roll number. So lookup value is student roll number is a lookup value in this example, right? Then the second parameter is table. Table mean we have to be select the table or the range, right? So the data where is contained. Table mean the data where is contained. So we have to be select the table or range which are consist of all the data. The third is column index. We have to be enter the column index. It means that if you want to be search student name, the first column is roll number, the second column is student name. So we have to be enter 2 is the student name. The finally is range lookup. If you're going to be search based on the exact match, we have to be put that exact match. If you're going to be search based on the best matching, we are going to be put that approximate match. Then we have to be close the bracket, then enter. If you enter, the data will be retrieved in this cell. So this is how the VLOOKUP functions work. We will see in the practical section how to do this task, right? So don't need to be worried about it. Just I'm going to be explain what's a VLOOKUP function. Now we are going to be look at that the type of VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function divided in two categories based on the lookup range. The first one is exact match, other one is approximate match. Exact match, we can retrieve the data in two methods. The first method is lookup data considered as a range. The second method is lookup data converted as a table. Then we will retrieve the data. As well, the approximate match also we can retrieve the data in two methods. The first method lookup data considered as a range. The second method lookup data converted as a table. Don't need to be worried about it. We will discuss in the practical section in the deep manner. Now we are going to be look at that what's the exact match. Exact match mean if you want to be get exactly what's the contain which you want to be retrieve the data, we can use the VLOOKUP exact match mode. This makes sense when you have a unique key to use as a lookup value. For example, if you look at this student exam result 2020, if you type the student roll number, student name, gender, grade, Tamil mark, Islam mark, science marks, maths marks, English mark, total marks and average mark, exactly what's contained in the table or range, it should be appear here. No need any approximate. What exactly consists in the table, it should be retrieved in this chart. That is called that exact match. For an example, if the student roll number 1001, that is Hafila, the exactly Hafila in the cell contained, and gender is a female, exactly is a female. So likewise, exactly what's appear in the table, it should be retrieved. So this is called that exact match. The next one is approximate match. Approximate match means when you want to be retrieve the best match, not necessary an exact match, you need to use the approximate mode. It means that you can see here student exam result, right? If the student get the mark 0 to 35, the grade should become W. 35 to 60, the grade should become C. 60 to 75, the grade should become B. 75 to 100, the grade should become A. If I enter the student roll number, student name, it should become exact match what's appear here, and gender, it should be appear what exactly contains. So we have to use student name and gender is the exact match, but the grade is approximate match, because if the student get the marks between 0 to 35, the grade should become W here. If the student get 35 to 60, the grade should become C. If the student get that 60 to 75, the grade should become B. If the student gets 75 to 100, the grade should become A here. So this is called that approximate match. For an example, in the roll, if I type the roll number 1001, the student name exactly what's the contain Hafila, and it will be retrieved if I use the exact match as well, and the gender is exact match we will use. At the time we will get that exactly what's the contain here female, so it will be retrieved here female. But the grade, I'm going to be use the grade is based on the average. So the average, if the student get 83, we will put that in the approximate match in this table. So the average is 83. 83 comes between the 75 to 100. So it will retrieve A is a grade. If the student get average 67, the 67, it will come 60 to 75 marks. So the grade should become B. The B should become here. Likewise, if you want to be retrieve the data for the best match, we can use the VLOOKUP function approximate match. Now we are going to be look at that what's the VLOOKUP issues. There are three major issues we will face when you use the VLOOKUP function. Those are, the first one is it's only work from left to right. If you use the lookup value student name, it means that we are going to be search based on the student name, right? So student name is the lookup value. So it will work left to right. It means you can retrieve the data gender, grade, Tamil, Islam, science, maths, English, total, average, but you can't get roll number because it will not work right to left, right? That is the first issues. The second is it has number to text or text to number problem. It means that if you want to be get the gender, so gender is, this is mode is, for an example, it is text, but here we put that this cell is a number. So number, here number mode, here is text mode. If it is here text mode or here number mode, something like that, it will not work. It make problem. So it should be usually use general mode. The third problem is VLOOKUP never consider lowercase or uppercase issues. It means that if you want to be retrieve the data based on the student name or lookup value is student name, if you write the student name lowercase or uppercase, it never matter for the VLOOKUP function. If you write Hafila is a small letters or lowercase, it will work. At the same time, if you write the student name Hafila in the uppercase, it also works. Don't need to be worried about this demonstration. We will look at in the deep manner in the practical section. The practical section I covered every segment of VLOOKUP function.